We're live and direct from Liverpool right now.
One of my favourite places to be is Liverpool. For me, the spirit is welcoming. It's like, come in. It's like going back to your mate's house. I guess my connection with Liverpool was birthed out of rebellion. So my dad was a United fan, and when I was growing up, I kind of wanted to do everything that my dad didn't do. I felt like a bit of an outcast at school, and I wanted to, I don't know, just to have people listen to me. Do you know what I mean? I just wanted to be heard. When you have talent, you don't necessarily have the means to hone it. It's more about teaching them how much they're worth. Make music, make art, rip things up, stick them back together in a different way. I think this is an exciting time to be young.